Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue with the same exercise, that is exercise 7a. In that, already up to the question number 5 we have learned in the previous videos. So today we are going to learn from the 6th question. The question is, an auctioneer charges 8% for selling a house. If the house is sold for rupees 2,30,000, find the charges of the auctioneer. Okay, so here we want to find out the charges of the auctioneer, and I hope all of you know about the meaning of the auctioneer. Auctioneer is the person who is dealing with the customer and in between owner. Okay, he is the in between person of customer and the owner. Usually he helps in the dealing, so therefore he takes his own charges. Okay, and what is that charges given to us? It is a 8% charges. Okay, so in this selling price of the house is rupees 2,30,000, right? Then rate of charges. In the question, rate of charges is given in the percentage, and how much percent it is? 8%. Okay, so these charges we have to pay on the selling price. Okay, so let us find out that charges of a auctioneer. It is 8% of rupees 2,30,000. Okay, 8% of rupees 2,30,000. So if it is a 8%, we can write it in this way: 2,30,000. Correct? These two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. Then when we make a multiplication of these two, we are getting 0, 0. 8 3s are 24 to carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 is 18, means it is 18,400. Got it? So these are the charges. 8 3s are 24, 4 to carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 18. All of you understood till here? Okay. Then next is the question number 7th. Question number 7th we are starting with. The question number 7th is, out of 800 oranges, 50 are found rotten. Find the percentage of good oranges. Again, similar type of question is here. Rotten oranges are 15. Out of 800 oranges, 50 are found rotten. So let us find out the number of good oranges. Number of good oranges. So what is the number of good oranges? 800 minus 50. So how much it is? 750. Correct? So this is the oranges. $800 minus 50, it is 750. So there are the 750 good oranges. So question is, find the percentage of good oranges. So percentage of good oranges will be, see, out of 800, 750 are good. The same thing we can write, out of 800 means 800 should be in the denominator, 750 are good, and since we want to convert it into percentage, we will multiply it by 100. Is that clear to everyone? Now what will happen here? Let us remove this 0, 2 zeros will get cancelled. So it is 750 upon 8, or we can also write the same thing into the mixed fraction, or we can reduce it by 2. So when we reduce it by 2, then what we are getting? 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 7s are 14, 5s are, means it is 375 upon 4%. Or we can also convert it into the mixed fraction like this. It is our rough work. So to convert it into mixed fraction, 375 is divided by 4. So when we divide it by 4, 4 9s are 36, 1, 5 will be remainder. Then 4 4s are 16. So here is 15. That means we will take 4 3s are 12. 3 is remainder. Correct? That means we can write remainder as a numerator, denominator is same, and this quotient we will write here. So 93 fraction 3 by 4 are the percentage of good oranges. All of you understood till here? Okay. Now let us solve the question number 8. In this question number 8, the question is, a system contains a system contains 5,000 liters of water. Okay. If 6% water is leaked, find how many liter of water would be left in the cistern. Okay. So total water in the cistern. Water in the cistern. How much water is there? 5,000 liter. So we will write 5,000 liter. This much of water is in the cistern. Okay. Then quantity of water leaked. 6% of water is leaked. So therefore quantity of water leaked, which is equals to 6% of total water. Got it? 6% of 5,000 liter. So we can also write it in this way, 6 upon 100 multiplied by 5,000. Correct? So that means 0 will get cancelled. 6 multiplied by 50 gives us 300 liters. Correct? It means from the 5,000 liter, 300 liter of water is leaked. Now what is our question? How many liters of water should be left in the system? Out of this 5,000, 300 liter water is leaked. Therefore quantity of water left. Therefore quantity of water left in the system in the system will be 5000 minus 300, correct? 5000 minus 300. So what it will be? 0 0. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 will become 4. 4700 liter. Okay, so 4700 of liter water is left. Okay, so once again I am repeating the same. In the question what that given us, 5000 liter water is there in the system, 6% of water is leaked. How many liters of water will be left? So total amount is 5000 liters. 6% of 5000 leaked, so that means after calculation we are getting 300 liter. So 5000 liter minus 300 liter gives us the final answer, that is 4700. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now next question, question number 9th we will discuss. Okay, in this question number 9th, a man spends 87% of his salary. If he saves rupees 325, find his salary. Okay, we want to find out the salary. So actually 87% of the salary, but we don't know what is the salary here. What is its salary? We don't know that. So let us consider that let man has rupees X salary. Okay, or salary of the man will be rupees X. So therefore we can say that 87% of his salary, 87% of his salary, can we write like this? 87% of his salary. What is his salary? X. If he saves rupees 325, so 87% of X is expenditure, correct? This is the expenditure. So can we write it in this way? 87% of X. Understood? This is the expenditure. Is that clear? Now in the question, or we can also write it expenses. Expense is 87% of X. Now in our question, saving, how much is the saving? Rupees 325 is the saving, right? If saving is of rupees 325, we can say that for finding this saving, how we are getting the saving? Whatever the salary he has minus expenses then only he is getting the saving. Okay, understood this concept? So here, what is the value of salary? Salary is unknown to us, so we have considered it as X, minus expenses. How much is the expenses? This is the expenses, 87 upon 100 X. This is the expenses. And saving is given in our question, that is 325. Okay, now to make a subtraction of these two, we want their denominators equal. Since the denominators are different, we need to take the LCM of these two. So as we know, the LCM is 100. So if we take 100 as the LCM, 100 into both numerator and denominator, so it becomes 100x minus 87x equals to 325. Got it? Then 100 minus 87. 100 minus 87x will gives us 13x upon 100, which is equals to 325. Okay, 100x minus 87x is 13x upon 100. So 13 upon 100 going that side will become a reciprocal. So 325, 100 is in the division, going that side goes for multiplication, and 13 in the multiplication, shifting this side goes for division. Got it? So 13 is this. So let us make a division of this two. We can divide it by 13. Okay, so 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, and 32 minus 26 is how much? I think it is 6 remainder, means it becomes 65, and 13 fives are 65, correct? So it is 25 into 100. So value of the x will be 25 into 100. So what is the value of x? 2500. Got it? It means the x was the man's salary. Man has x salary, that means the value of x is 2500. So we can say that salary of men is rupees 2500. Okay, this is the answer. So once again, let us take a revision again for the same question. The question was 87% of the salary